The US maintains a dynamic, younger population compared to China's rapidly aging society. By 2030, China's median age will rise to 46, while the US stays at 38, thanks to higher fertility rates and immigration. This demographic edge fuels long-term economic productivity and military recruitment, ensuring sustainable national power. 57% of US tech startups are founded by immigrants, while China suffers brain drain. Silicon Valley attracts the world's brightest, from Indian engineers to European scientists, fostering breakthroughs like AI and quantum computing. China's rigid education system stifles creativity, relying on forced tech transfers rather than organic innovation. The US GDP adjusts organically through 33 million small businesses, while China's state-owned enterprises (SOEs) waste $1.2 trillion annually on inefficiencies. When COVID hit, American firms pivoted within weeks. Tesla made ventilators, distilleries produced sanitizer. China's command economy couldn't match this adaptability. America's shale boom made it the world's top oil producer, cutting energy costs by 40% since 2008. China imports 70% of its oil, vulnerable to Middle East instability. U.S. energy exports to allies also strengthen diplomatic ties, while China's Belt and Road energy projects face $400 billion in defaults. SpaceX launches cost 1/10 of China's state-run programs. Pentagon partnerships with firms like Palantir deploy AI faster than China's military-industrial complex. Over 80% of U.S. defense tech comes from private innovators, while China copies 60% of its weapons from stolen designs, lacking original R&D. The U.S. leads NATO, Quad, and AUKUS, alliances spanning 60% of global GDP. China's only allies are pariah states like North Korea. When Russia invaded Ukraine, 42 nations backed U.S.-led sanctions. China's wolf warrior diplomacy alienated 78% of EU nations, proving soft power matters. The USD facilitates 88% of global trade, letting America freeze $300 billion in Russian assets overnight. China's yuan constitutes just 2.4% of reserves. Its capital controls deter investors. Even BRICS nations trade more in dollars than yuan. This financial hegemony funds U.S. military and tech supremacy. American culture dominates globally. Hollywood earns $30 billion overseas annually, while Chinese films flop abroad. 40% of Ivy League students are international, versus 0.1% at China's Tsinghua. TikTok's U.S. ownership shows even China's youth prefer Western platforms despite CCP bans. U.S. institutions self-correct. After January 6th, Congress reinforced election integrity. China's Politburo hasn't opposed Xi Jinping since 2012. Federalism lets states pioneer policies, e.g. Texas's energy grid, while China's top-down control caused COVID mismanagement, costing $500 billion in lockdowns. These advantages compound. Immigrants boost innovation, tech strengthens military, alliances protect trade, dollar funds R&D. China's aging population drains resources just as America's systems accelerate. History shows hegemonies fall from internal decay, not external rivals. The US rebuilt its flaws post-2020. China's system can't.